Hi, I'm Ben Plotnick. I'm a junior in mechanical engineering, and my question is or it's like kind of two questions, but they're not that long. For Miss Anjali, correct? Anjali Baines?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Anjali. So first question is, do you travel for your job? And if so, where to? And the second question is what is slash are your favorite or least favorite parts of your job?
Got it. So for travel, for my particular function, as I'll go from the residential finance side, I did not travel for my job except occasionally into the city to meet with investors or prospective partners that the Resi team wanted to work with. And Resi means residential. But as part of my rotation program, I got the opportunity to travel a couple times, once to see a utility scale solar site and walk around and get familiarized with what a utility scale solar project looks like. And I also spent a week in Buffalo, New York, working on the rooftop of a coal store and witnessing what a solar system installation looked like. And I was there during the phase where they were actually taking the modules and placing them on the racking systems. And for that whole week, it was my job to note down all the processes so that we could figure out what the timing of everything was and how we can make them more efficient in the future. But those two opportunities came through my rotation program as opposed to my specific job program or job function. For your second question, um, the things I like most about my job is it's incredibly dynamic, especially being in the rotation program, the solar development program. There are 8 of us who are in different business units without the company. So we get a lot of cross-pollination of ideas between us, and we have a really good understanding of what different teams in Sun Edison do, because Sun Edison does a lot from utility scale to commercial scale. We're also dabbling, trying to consider other ways we can infiltrate the energy market. There's a lot going around, and since each of us work in such different areas, we get a really good understanding of what the company as a whole is working towards. Um, that being said, the downside of my day-to-day is that since there's so much going on, it can be hard to figure out the priorities of what to accomplish first. But that's where you just talk to your managers and you figure out, well, these initiatives and centers and taking what we actually have focus on the near term, what's the long term, how do we manage last minute crises, and how do we still give time to plan for long term strategy.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Hope that answers.
That was great. Thank you.